I love the trend of hanging wreaths on windows and doors and knew that I needed a solution that would last the whole season long. These are working great for me. They literally slide onto my glass surface and they're holding our wreaths just fine. They're set to a clear suction cup and they have a high-tech locking technology where once you lock it down, the suction sticks to a solid surface. It can hold up to 22 pounds. Clear, minimalistic, they blend in, and then they're removable and reusable year after year. This is what they look like. They're just a clear, they're about 2.5 inches in diameter. The hook hangs down about 2.5 inches and it sticks out about 2 inches. So you do need to know it does take up a little bit of space, but they're definitely clear and minimalistic. And they have this suction cup that's also clear. And that's what sticks to the smooth, flat surfaces, glass, tile, metal, mirrors, plastic. I haven't had any issues. It releases when you pull the thing out 90 degrees. And then the locking mechanism happens when you push straight down. It pulls the suction air and it really does hold tight. And you're finished, push up to release and pull. No residue, no damage. And I've had no issue with them working outdoors either. We like to hang 2 wreaths on our front doors during the holiday season, put them there. They lasted all season long, rain, snow, whatever, and then removed fine. I just washed them when I was done with the season. They held up great. They're completely water resistant. And we like to do 2 side by side. It's a great solution when you have any kind of an alternate glass door. I will say one little hint, there is a small tiny release tab at the bottom. It's kind of hard to show, but that really helps to get it off. So if you get up, you see that up close, you just release that and it does pop right off. Overall, I love these suction cup wreath hugs. For us, they've been durable, they've been reusable, they hold plenty. We've had no issues with anything hanging or falling. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.